Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Fact Finder. The Fact Finder icon is the globe with the magnifying glass, right here. The Fact Finder can be found on the Research and Writing toolbars because it can be really useful when you're trying to find more information. So when you click on the icon, a dialog box comes up. You just type in the word you want to search and click OK. And we get a web page with our search results. You can also use this tool to search in other ways. So if you click the icon and then choose Change Default, you get a drop-down that says Search Using. Translation, we can translate from English to French or Spanish. So let's translate preamble to Spanish. And we get a web page that does that translation for us. So let's look at some other options. If we change the default, Search Using, General knowledge, that's going to be the dictionary, the thesaurus, or an encyclopedia. So if we search Britannica.com for the preamble, you can see that we get all of the encyclopedia entries for preamble. You can also use it to search for computers and technology. So you would just go to computers or internet down here in the drop-down menu. And if we choose Apple and search for a MacBook, then this tool will actually search Apple's website for MacBooks. You can also change it again and search for books. And you can search Barnes & Noble, or you can search by ISBN. So if we put an ISBN number in there, it will take us to isbndb.com. and it will give us the information for that book. We can also change to the news setting, and you can choose BBC or Reuters. And if we choose BBC, let's type election. And you can see it searches BBC's website for any articles about elections. Lastly, if you want to put it back on just your usual search engine, we can go here and you can see there's Yahoo, Ask Jeeves, Dogpile, and Google, along with many others. And you can just get it set back. So this is a really helpful tool if you're trying to find a little extra information for a paper, or you just need help getting started with your research. This tool can be a really good way to do that.